Every day in the United States, a child will lose a limb to a lawnmower accident. I know firsthand because this happened to my family. A split second is all it took. Our son will now live the rest of his life as an amputee. We are 13 families, all impacted by a lawnmower accident. We have come together to share our stories to prevent this tragedy from happening to your family.
It was a normal day.
It was time to mow the lawn.
I was the one driving the mower.
The kids were playing in the yard.
I put the mower in reverse and backed up.
I did not see my child.
It all happened so quickly.
He wasn't supposed to be there.
It was too late.
That day changed my child's life forever.
Everything can change in an instant, with scars that will last a lifetime.
I'm always careful, and it still happened. And the grief, it never goes away.
Don't let this happen to your family.